We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This thing is completely set up for your next trip. Has the top case with added luggage rack, locking saddlebags, passenger floorboard, really comfortable passenger seat with speakers. Has the 114 cubic inch engine, also has rider floorboards and a rider backrest as well, which is really nice. This bike also has ABS. And we have highway pegs, heel toe shifters, everything here for you. It's got the taller windshield and the pockets in the front, and we are keyless. We run on a fob. So miles are extremely low. We're at 1,979. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.